Well, this is a Saeco Royal, and the problem was here on the power button, power switch. Each time I was pressing this button, I could hear a sound like bzzzt, bzzzt, and that's obviously wrong. I used a screwdriver on the left and on the right, and easily I was pulling the button so I get it out, and there are the other 3 wires, and I will try to get them out. Well, after this fishing wires operation, here's the switch. Blue, darker blue, brown and black wire. I will try this button again while the power is on, and if I will still hear the sound, I have to replace this switch.